Okay, hello, Marjorie, looking at here. All right. Okay. So, Marjorie, so 2 weeks ago, you came to me
Yes,
and asked for some help.
yeah.
And what's your problem then?
My problem was my knees and my hands.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have arthritis on your knee,
Arthritis, yes.
on the right knee.
I've had them on right knee. Yeah.
Yeah. And so what your doctor told you to do?
The doctor, I had them x-rayed,
Yes.
and she said yes, it was arthritis, and she said the only solution I can give you is 8 painkillers a day.
8.
8
Yeah.
painkillers a day, or an operation.
Okay.
And I didn't really want either.
Either, yes. You don't like the painkiller to make you
I don't
feel
like
sick.
painkillers. No.
And yeah, make you, because I treat another lady who had painkiller making her sick,
Yeah.
couldn't eat food,
Yes.
bloated. And also you don't like to be operated.
No, I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
I
So
did think about it, and then I changed my mind. I thought,
yeah.
oh, okay.
And then Jane told you to come here.
Jane and Jill were
Yeah.
praising you and saying how well you did for treated them.
Yeah.
So I said I would like to try it.
Okay. So after 2 treatments you feel better.
After 2 treatments, I feel better, and my friends say I'm walking better.
You're walking you without a stick.
But
Sometimes.
yeah, I still have the stick because sometimes a bit.
Wobbly. Yeah.
I think it's a crutch at the moment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And you move your hands. Let me see. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. And can you stand up? Stand up. Move step your knee. Stand up. Yeah.
Yes.
And move your knee up. Yeah. Yeah. Just like yeah. Step. Yeah. Yeah. And you walk. Try to walk in one area. Yeah. Okay. So you again walk again. Yeah. So no trouble at all. Okay. Thank you very much. All right.